World dance. World dance.
This your boy Smooth, you know. I'm coming here straight from Deadly Ground, Fall Rock, you know how we do it. But anyway, I'm here with you know, much love to this new track. Shout out to y'all. And all that. But I'm here to battle tonight. I'm giving it my all.
Yo.
Wagwan.
Jeff Wagwan.
Hey, my boy Jeff Vice, CAD, Claire, Damage Soldier, Gun Holder.
Only way this is gonna be a good battle is to get the good judges. So I automatically nominate the main event to be the judges, and y'all can pick a third party that y'all want to help judge it. Everybody should remember Cassius last week.
You put it down.
Yo, put it up. Give it up for this nigga Cassius, man.
Give it up.
Gave it up last week, man. It was a good battle.
It was.
All right.
And his opponent is here from last week.
And the winner, give it up for the winner, man. Give it up for Monk. Last week's main event. Okay. That's it.
Think about this all damn day. Oh, I can't wait to see your face. My hands are dying to touch you. But I ain't got the patience to wait. And I think it's time. Lose control. Lose control. My mind.
Let's go.
That's it. Oh, you got anything to say before you judge it?
I feel like Jeff took it because you battling, son. That's too smooth for a battle, son. He's going hard, son.
All right, that's enough. That's enough. You're getting into coaching now, son. Wait, hold on. He already voiced his opinion.
Let's go.
Go ahead, voice your opinion and give it to who you give it to for the round.
Jeff, punchlines.
Okay. Yo, we don't even gotta go to Cassius. No, my nigga, you ain't judging. Come on.
Don't try to shut me down.
Come on, my nigga.
You ain't gotta do it.
I'm not trying to, my nigga. Let's go. Yo, hold on. Give everybody in here respect. Come on, y'all.
Jeff came too hard, like that nigga went in. Jeff came too hard.
All right, let's go, y'all. Let's go.
That was white. He know that was white.
Let's go, man. What you think about that? What you think about that?
Yes, nigga.
about that. Alright, let's go, let's go. Second round. Let's go. Yo, what you want? Yo. If y'all think that was a good round, let me hear you go, yeah. Damn. Yo, my nigga.
That shit was
you? That was a good round, son.
That was an excellent round. I give that a gold star.
Yo, let's go. Let's go, Smooth. Let's go. Don't roll. That's time. That's time. Yo. Give it up for that round. Give it up for Smooth. Give it up for Smooth before we judge it, y'all. Give it up for Smooth before we judge it. What do you think about that round?
I think that Smooth won blood. Jeff got it. You know, the crowd is like a big exaggeration. Yo, he going to a real deep thought.
Yo, we gonna blog on that. That was a good one. We gonna blog on how much you you gotta just save it. Go ahead, blog on it. I want to see what you think. Go ahead. Hold on. Let's get to it.
Me personally, I like that technical shit. So this is he went mine.
Jeff.
He went blood.
All right. Give respect to the third judge, Cassius. What do you got to say? Although they already judged, 2 out of 3 already won, but
man, Jeff got it. But that nigga went in, man. He came back with some shit. Like he came back with some shit, but it was just like, damn.
All right. You won. But what you got to say?
Work time, collateral damage. Hell yeah! Hey, tell me where he
All right. Alright, yo. Question. Chill. What do you think, man? What do you got to say? Son, this is the press. What you got to say? Be honest.
Let me see. Basically, what I got to say is I guess I got to go in the lab and get better. Straight like
Hyperbolic chain.
Hyperbolic.
What was that shit called?
Chill. Quiet on the set. Chill.
Don't get it twisted. Just because I lost don't mean I'm quitting. I'm gonna keep going, boy.
Alright, yo, everybody give it up. Everybody give it up for Smoke. Yo.
World dance.